Welcome to the jungle. This is Bongo. Bongo is a simple guy. He likes trees, he likes sleeping, but most of all, Bongo loves bananas. In this jungle, bananas aren't just food. Bananas are life. They are the gold standard of the canopy. But bananas aren't free. In our jungle, we use these leaves. Big, green, crunchy leaves. This is monkey money. Usually one leaf gets you one banana. Monkey happy. Simple, right? Well, not today. Meet Grumpy Grog. He's the local banana farmer. Usually Grog has a mountain of bananas, but last night a massive storm hit the jungle. Now Grog only has 3 bananas left. Just 3. This, my friends, is what we call low supply. Look at the line. 20 hungry monkeys, all holding leaves, all wanting those 3 bananas. Demand is through the roof, but supply is in the basement. Grog isn't stupid. He sees the desperate look in their eyes. He says, 1 banana now costs 10 leaves. Bongo is shocked. Banana go up. Monkey very sad. Fast forward 1 week. The sun is back. The trees are exploding with fruit. Grog has thousands of bananas. This is high supply. But there's a catch. The monkeys are already full. They've been eating papayas all morning. Nobody wants a banana. Demand is dead. Grog is panicking. His bananas are turning brown. He screams, 2 bananas for half a leaf, please. Banana go down. Monkey happy. Grog? Not so much. Eventually, the jungle finds a balance. Grog brings just enough bananas, and the monkeys bring just enough leaves. This is equilibrium, the sweet spot. So next time your favorite gadget gets expensive, don't blame magic. Just remember Bongo and Grog. Banana go up, banana go down. That's economics. Want to become the smartest monkey in the jungle? Smash that subscribe button and give us a leaf. I mean, a like. Stay hungry.